Hey guys, spur of the moment stealth camp. Don't look now, but behind you. I said don't look, don't look. Because you make it too obvious. Well, there is a dumped, borrowed car just behind there, near the off and the on ramp for the motorway. That's going to be my big metal bivvy for the night. Some traffic. Oh, scooch, scooch.
Please, children, scooch closer. Don't make me tell you again about the scooching.
This is risky. Alright guys, so I'm in. There is a lot of traffic. This is super risky. I did want to get the back seats down and lay in the back, but there is this monster piece of equipment in the back there.
Quick, while there's no traffic, I'll show you what's in the back. So there's no chance of me laying in the back there. Damn it.
But I tell you what, time for a step 2. Now I don't have any beer and I don't drink Pepsi, so I won't be having a stealth Pepsi. It is a bit early in the relationship, but maybe it's time I introduce you to my mother. You can call her Stealth Mother. She's my step 2 tonight. Man, cars keep creeping up behind me. I don't even notice they're coming. But let's crack open this Stealth Mother. Step 2. Another car. Another car. All right, let's try that again. Step 2. Get amongst it. Hashtag Stealth Camping Alliance. This is the borrowed car stealth camp. I am Stealth Monkey. I'm just gonna set the car up. My bed. Shit, another car. That was a motorbike. He was wearing high vis. I don't know if that was a cop. I guess we'll find out. Once I get that done, then we'll sneak out and we'll see how we go with this light. I want to know if it's obvious. Traffic keeps coming and I don't even notice. All right, so I've set up my bed. I wanted to use the air mat in the back, put the back seats down, but there's a lot of shit in the back there. Holy shit. Someone going past on a bike doesn't even know I'm here. I was going to put a bed sheet up against the windows, but you can't really see in the car anyway at night. So I don't think it's that problem. So I've used that as a drop sheet on the back seat because I don't really want to sleep on the back seat. Sorry, there's a car coming. I'm going to turn the light off. Cover it with my thumb. I'm not going to use a sleeping bag. It's pretty warm in here. I will crack a window, which is going to give me a little bit of air throughout the night. I've got this travel pillow. I figured that was fitting for a car. So I'm just going to kick back, enjoy my Stealth Mother. Hashtag Stealth Camping Alliance. Dumped, borrowed car stealth camp. I am Stealth Monkey. This car has just pulled in. I don't know who or what it is. Oh, they're leaving. All right, let's get out and then check out what the car looks like. I'll leave the light in here. Come with me. No traffic. It's gonna be flying up. Oh, fuck. Let's go this way. You can't really see the light, can you? We walk down this way. We'll cross the road. I'll have a look there and we'll see how that goes. I picked a good time, there's no traffic. There's a car coming on the other side, but good for now. So you can't really see any light coming from that car at all. We'll keep walking across to the back angle of it, see how it looks from there. If you enjoy the mischief Stealth Monkey gets up to, like and subscribe. If this is the first video you've seen, there will be more. You tell them I'm coming, and hell's coming with me, you hear? check out hashtag Stealth Camping Alliance. There's a whole bunch of stealth campers out there doing great videos. Get amongst it. Okay, so you can't see any light across there. Again, more traffic. Well, there's a break in traffic. Go, 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 go. Whoops. Well, there you go. I think that was successful, guys. I don't think the light is obvious at all. Maybe when I'm holding it up at the camera, though. Is what it is. I tell you what, time for dinner. Being this late, I ate before I came out, so I'm not going to cook anything. I'm not going to have dinner. But as a little homage to Josh from Hidden Hammock, I'm going to have some lollies. But not just any lollies. Let's have a look and see what we got. Racing car lollies. I thought it'd be a bit fitting to have some racing car lollies in a borrowed car. I promise they're not borrowed. I paid for them. All right, let's get dinner into us. So that's dinner done. I'm gonna get some sleep. I'll see you guys in the morning. Unless something happens, somebody comes knocking on the door of this big metal bivvy. Come wake me up, take me away. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the morning. I am Stealth Monkey, hashtag Stealth Camping Alliance. This is the dumped, borrowed, big metal bivvy stealth camp. See you in the morning, guys. Garbage truck parked right next to me. I'm hiding underneath my bed sheet. I'm staying perfectly still. Hashtag Stealth Camping Alliance. Good morning. Holy shit. What the fuck? Wow, you are kidding me. That garbage truck was parked right there. She came out and jumped into the left side and then just drove across. So if we have a look around, this is inside. It is a putrid mess in this car, I tell you what. Does not smell good. That had to be literally one of the most uncomfortable sleeps I have had in my life. That was so shit. I need a piss. Let's get packed up and try and slip out of here unseen. This is stealth camping. Yeah, boy. So at that front window is really foggy, so nobody can see me that way. Out the back window the same. And another truck. Is it the same one? This is not good. I am definitely going to have to try and slip out this door when there's a bit of a lull in the traffic going either way. This is definitely going to be the trickiest exfil I'm ever going to have to face. I am Stealth Monkey, and this is the dumped, borrowed, big metal bivvy stealth camp. Hashtag Stealth Camping Alliance. Damn. You serious?
Another fucking truck turned up.
Let's go. I'll walk this way. Alright. Can't get down that way. Dead end. I can head back that way. Let's do it. Alright guys, thanks for coming along on my little journey. Until next time, hashtag Stealthcampingalliance. I am Stealth Monkey, and I am out.